welcome back to our channel. This ticks all my design box yeses, so stay tuned to find out why. Micador has sent us their brand new, just launched in October, the E.S.C.A.P.E Table. In this little box, there is a whole lot going on. Guys, this is a fantastic product. The E.S.C.A.P.E Table is designed by Micador, which is an Australian company. Now, the design behind this E.S.C.A.P.E Table is fantastic. Now, the words E.S.C.A.P.E mean this. E is for easel, S for storage, C for case, A for art, P for play, E for everywhere, because this is a table you can take everywhere with you. Now I want to show you why the E.S.C.A.P.E Table ticks all my design box yeses. Now, first of all, this E.S.C.A.P.E Table encourages kids to be creative. And I really love anything that gets my children away from their electronic devices. It gets them sitting down, drawing, being creative. This E.S.C.A.P.E Table is super easy to take wherever you go. Now, this fits really well into our lifestyles because if we're not traveling, we're always on the go. We're always out and about. So I love that it's super easy. You can just bring it along. It's not too heavy at all. You can transport it with you in the car. The kids can even use it in the car, and you can take it to grandma's house, to the park if you're having a picnic, or wherever you may be going. Now, another reason why I love the E.S.C.A.P.E Table, in fact, this is probably the best reason, is that it is excellent value. And what I mean by that is that it's not just only a table and an easel, but this little case here comes crammed with art supplies. And I think that is awesome, and it makes it a wonderful gift, because if you're giving somebody this, you're giving them a really comprehensive gift. There is no other purchases needed in order to effectively use the E.S.C.A.P.E Table, and I just think that gets a super thumbs up from me. Okay, this is the E.S.C.A.P.E Table in the form of a case. So as you can see, it folds right up, very easy, slim fit, good design, easy to transport. Now, if you want to convert this into an easel, all you have to do is pop up these pegs here. They clip. Look how nicely they clip right into place. Super easy. Flip it over, and there you have a perfect little easel. So as I mentioned, the table is fully equipped. I also love that when they've designed it, they've thought of areas, for example, here to put your crayons or your pens in, lie them down here on the side as well. These little clips here are to insert your paper or whiteboard or blackboard sheet, which is also included inside the case. Okay, let's open up the case. Okay, so inside we have a chalkboard sheet, a whiteboard sheet, and they've even included drawing paper, quite a few sheets of that, some coloring in pictures, and activity sheets. How cute is this? And they're all different. So for example, spot the different sheets. Oh, I used to love these when I was a kid. Like, I could seriously sit down and do this right now. And paint by numbers. So a whole lot of activity sheets to keep your kids busy. So as I mentioned, you buy this kit and you're ready to just get started straight away. There are also these two cool pencil cases, which is excellent design, because look how they actually have little grooves here where they slide right in. So they're not going to be, moving about in the case when you carry it. You can also move them down here if you want. And let's see what's inside these guys. Oh, awesome. Look, some watercolor paints, a brush, and even the water. So you can fill that up. So when you're on the go, you've got your water. Now, I mean, isn't that super clever? And then what is inside this one? Okay, so we have chalk for the chalkboard. We have the whiteboard markers as well, guys. That's awesome, because often I always battle to find whiteboard markers. So I really love that they even come with these included. Pencil crayons, a duster for the board, and some cute little stickers. Awesome. pretty much everything I need to get my kids being created, and I don't need to purchase anything else. So that gets a massive thumbs up for me. Don't you think this would make a really awesome gift, especially for Christmas? I mean, I would love to give my little niece this gift. I know my boys are gonna love it. For other fun, creative ideas, check out the Micador website.